You know how to write good prompts. Now let us scale. Run multiple Claude sessions in parallel, automate with scripts, and avoid the 5 mistakes that waste the most time. By the end of this video, you will know how to manage sessions like a pro, automate at scale, and recognize failure patterns before they cost you hours. Course correct early and often. Press Escape to stop Claude mid-action. Context is preserved. Double Escape opens the rewind menu to restore previous state. /clear resets context between unrelated tasks. /compact compresses context while keeping what matters. And /btw asks a side question that never enters conversation history. If you have corrected Claude more than twice on the same issue, /clear and start fresh. Context is your fundamental constraint, and subagents are one of the most powerful tools for managing it. When Claude researches your codebase, it reads lots of files, all consuming context. Subagents run in separate context windows. They explore, read 50 files, and report back a 5-line summary. Your main conversation stays clean. Use them for investigation before implementing and for code review after. Now let us scale. Non-interactive mode runs Claude without a session. Use it in CI pipelines, pre-commit hooks, and scripts. Parallel sessions let multiple Claudes work simultaneously. Try the writer-reviewer pattern. For large migrations, fan out across files. Generate a task list. Write a script that loops through it. Test on a few files, then run at scale. The writer-reviewer pattern is powerful. Session A implements the feature. Session B reviews it with completely fresh context. No bias toward the code it just wrote. The reviewer looks for edge cases, race conditions, and consistency. Feed the review back to the writer. You can do something similar with tests. Have one Claude write tests, then another write code to pass them. 5 common pitfalls. The kitchen sink session. You start one task, ask something unrelated, then go back. Fix it with /clear. Correcting over and over. After 2 failed corrections, /clear and write a better prompt. Bloated CLAUDE.md prune ruthlessly. The trust then verify gap. Always provide verification. And infinite exploration. Use subagents so it does not consume your main context. Finally, develop your intuition. When Claude produces great output, notice what you did. When Claude struggles, ask why. Was the context too noisy? The prompt too vague? Sometimes let context accumulate because the history is valuable. Sometimes skip planning. These patterns are starting points. Over time, you will know when to follow them and when to break them. Recap. Course correct early with escape, rewind, clear, and compact. Use subagents to keep your main context clean. Scale with non-interactive mode, parallel sessions, and fan-out patterns. Try the writer-reviewer pattern. Watch out for the 5 common pitfalls. Start with /clear between your next 2 tasks. Thanks for watching the Best Practices series. Subscribe for more from the AI Terminal.